A treat for all chicken lovers, baked chicken parmesan is a favourite meal choice. Lots of parmesan and mozzarella cheese, some spices, eggs, chicken, basil and breadcrumbs are what we need to make this amazing dish. So, enjoy this tasty meal without any regrets. Mix 150 grams of breadcrumbs, 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of oregano and garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and 4 tablespoons of chopped basil in a large bowl. Crack 2 eggs, whisk well, and coat a large chicken breast in the mix. Then coat it in a thick layer of your breadcrumb mix. Put 2 of these chicken breasts on a lined baking tray, top with fresh mozzarella cheese, and bake for 30 minutes at 200 degrees. Serve up your parmesan on a bed of spaghetti and coat with some spaghetti sauce and a little fresh basil. This is a delicious and nutritious dish that's really easy to make and even easier to eat. Bon appétit!